Built to turn heads and drop jaws, this striking 34 Ford wraps a spree Ford small block and stalwart Ford automatic overdrive in solid Ford steel and plush leather trim. Want to be the center of attention wherever you go? Your classic awaits. Based on appearance, this Ford's smooth and solid steel was super clean before its detailed restoration even began. Nonetheless, that metal was subjected to a deep massage that followed a full strip with laser straight lines and a spectacular coat of bright red two-stage. And today, this drop top rolls as a banner showpiece that celebrates the fusion of some of Ford's greatest design work with some of the best modern technology money can buy. One of this classic's coolest assets is a thoroughly upgraded interior that, just like the rest of the car, features just the right amount of customization. The plush bench seat centers a retractable armrest. Luxurious carpet floods metal foot pedals, a long low-car shifter, and a polished emergency brake, while a tastefully modified dash seats classic instruments gauges amid hardware for vintage air climate control. Tilt the hood and you'll find 302 cubic inches of blue oval bliss that's fitted with all of the right hardware. Putting that power to the road is a Ford 4-speed auto. From its polished grille to its polished exhaust tips, this Ford is a completely sorted showstopper that's ready to hit the road today. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.